Welcome back to Paper Confessions with Carmi. I'm back with a small Daiso haul, starting off with these 3 packs of wax seal stickers. I love wax seals. They are a little bit time consuming to make. So these are really fun to have. So I'm gonna show you a little clip here of what they look like. So there's a great variety. We have an air balloon with the blue hues, some florals and birds, and then we have the gold ones with a crown. There's also a little teacup, and then other designs, more florals, and then we have the purple ones, the kind of pinkish hue. And I like the fact that some of them are transparent, so that will really look wonderful on paper. You can put it as letter seals. You can add it as little pulls on the side of your tabs in your journals, and then so many other ways to embellish your belly bands and other crafty and journaling projects. Now, the other set I got were Halloween ones, and I'll show you what those look like. Again, perfect for the Halloween season. I love cute Halloween. So there's cute bats, they have little ghosties, jack-o'-lantern, and then we have a kitty cat, and a great variety of colors in this pack. So we have those. And then I got this adorable bookend, and it's a kitty cat. How cute is that? So I'm going to add that to my bookends for some of my collections for children's books. I think this was super, super cute. So we'll put that right here. Or sorry, right there. And then I got this cute little cutter. So we're opening packages. These are always fun. Let me open it up and see what it actually looks like. We have a kitty cat right there. And then you flip it over. There's your cutter. So you have to be very careful, but at least it's hidden. So, when I have packages, these are always fun and handy to have. And it has a cute little cat. And then I got myself some of my threaders because the other ones I have, these get over time broken. And then so this is my rebuy. So we have that. And then I found this cute little key holder. So you would clip it on your bag or backpack. And I like that it's securely kept in here. So there's a hook and it's expandable. And then this, you can wipe it down. It's a really nice fabric. So I love that one. Also got some cute little socks. This one has a few little frillies with some kind of a gold thread. Very fine looking one over there. And then I got these for sleepy time socks. So you have the sheep and I like burgundy. So I got that pair there. And I got a cute little drawstring bag. I needed a larger one, and I like using this for clothing when I'm packing or shoes. But this one, I might package something else. But I do like my Sanrio, so we'll put that there. And speaking of packing, I did find this larger compression bag, and what I like about it, I think it's 2-side and it's expandable. So let me show you what that looks like. So you can see here, they have the price in yen. Now the items in Daiso now cost $2.25 for all of their general items, and then anything marked differently has a corresponding price. So 5 yen, I think, converts to about $8 for this, but I think it's worth it. This is a really nice large compression bag. So we have this one side here, and there is a lot of depth. You can see with the stitching that you have a lot of space, and then you can expand it this way. So that works really well when you're packing. And this is the other side here. So there's another part, it looks like, yeah. So we have another zipper, but you get the idea. So if you do it this way, you have enough packing space for all your other goodies, which is amazing. And we always need them. It's both sides, so it's a top and bottom. There it is. That's better. So you see this is the bottom side and this is the top side of that compression bag. So I'm super happy with that. I have a few trips lined up for the fall. I'm going to Idaho to visit some family, and they said it's going to be cooler during the fall, so I decided to get a few things. I got this cute little warm neck warmers. It's like a muffler. Just easy to carry, and I like that you just put it on and you're nice and warm fleece on the inside. And then we have, I love this color, love the stitching there in kind of like a darker blue. And again, super easy to pack. And then got these soft little gloves to keep us warm. And I think this will work well. Oh, I think I'm wearing it the wrong way because I see that the openings for, so that you can, you know, have that touch piece when you're on your phone. That's why they have those little slots or slits over there. And then there's a blue one in this color. So my daughter might like that. And what else did we get? I also found, these are always also good and handy. Got this from my sister. She doesn't like to use umbrellas as much, but I thought this rain poncho, let's see what the quality looks like. And it's in blue. Not bad. I like that. It's just something that she can, you know, have in her car and then pack, you know, like this would be good to have also when she travels. So we have that, and it has a little drawstring bag, which is good to have. And then I spotted this really nice fluffy mat. Oh my gosh, I love this. Look at that. It's super soft, so I'm going to put it by my bed side. I like waking up and putting my feet on something soft and textured like this. This would also make a nice background for some of your flat lays, like if you were doing something like jewelry, you could throw it on top like this, and I think that would look so pretty. You could also do a flat lay of art or some of your art pieces if you would like. Now this next pair are zippered pouches, and they have two of my favorite things, which is tea time and teddy bears. If you had missed my flip through Friday of a teddy bear book, I'd shown you some of the teddy bears that I have in my collection. But look how cute, there's a teddy. So cute little coin purse. I can use this for my lipsticks and other makeup or little wipes that I'll have in my handbag or put in a backpack if I'm traveling or on the go going to work. So I also got this really cute pillow, and my daughter loves it. It's a nice huggable pillow, and it's the right kind of thickness, and it's, oh my gosh, it's really, really super soft. And the last item we got also is this cute little seal, and I like it. You can lay on it. I don't really like bulky pillows, but this is nice to have on the couch to lay on if you're taking an afternoon nap. I'd probably use it actually on my bed too. There's a little dip so that your neck will sink in, and then you can still support your neck when you turn left or right. So I thought this was, super, super cute. But that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little Daiso haul. It's been a while since I'd done my last one, mainly because I'm trying to be more intentional too of what I really buy. And since the prices have gone up, I feel like I have one too many items already in my household. But these are things that I'll definitely use for journaling, for travel, and for our home decor. And little Huggy Wuggy pillow. Let me know which item you like the best, and I'll see you next time. Bye.